Hello everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the side mirror on a Kia Optima 4th generation. The process is very simple and doesn't require many tools. First, open the front door. On the inside corner of the door, you'll see a small plastic trim cover. Behind this cover are the mounting bolts that hold the mirror in place. To remove the cover, use a trim removal tool. If you don't have one, a flathead screwdriver will also work. Carefully insert the tool into the upper part of the trim and gently pull it toward you. The panel is secured with clips, so use moderate pressure and it will pop off easily. Once the cover is removed, you'll have access to the mirror mounting bolts. Using a 10mm socket and ratchet, remove all 3 bolts that secure the mirror to the door. Next, disconnect the electrical connector for the mirror. After unplugging the connector and removing the bolts, the mirror can be safely removed from the vehicle. One important thing to know is that you do not need to remove the door panel to complete this job, which makes the process much faster and easier. If this video helped you, be sure to check out our other Kia Optima repair and removal tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.